This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering identifiers, your Kumon student ID, guardian email, and birth date so verification is instant. Once ready, open a modern browser and locate the activation email or code sent by Kumon. This is the door to Kumon Connect. If you don't see it, check spam and then request a resend. Make sure the guardian's email matches Kumon records, mismatches block activation. After verification, proceed to create a strong password to protect student progress and data. You enter the activation code and immediately set a strong, unique password. This secures the account and prevents accidental lockouts. Next, link the student record to the guardian account. This sync ensures instructors and guardians view the same progress. Once linked, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code by email. Input it promptly because codes expire. After verification, install the Kumon Connect app or bookmark the portal so updates and assignments appear quickly on your device. You finish by confirming classes, schedules, and assigned worksheets display on the dashboard so nothing is missed. Then enable notifications to receive assignment alerts and instructor messages. This keeps learning on track. If something goes wrong, like incorrect dashboard data or login failures, reset your password first, clear the browser cache, and retry. If problems persist, contact your Kumon Center admin with the student ID and a screenshot. They can refresh records or escalate to technical support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.